In this last video of our 4-part series, I'm going to be sharing with you the things I wish I knew before I started LinkedIn lead generating. There's a couple. If you haven't, please subscribe, give me a thumbs up. If you've just jumped onto this video, note that this is a 4-part series on how to LinkedIn lead generate through using groups. Number 1, I wish I got better at using my CRM with Haus. With Haus, you can integrate, we natively integrate with HubSpot, but we integrate with pretty much every CRM because we have Zapier. Building out your pipeline means that you need to follow up. So you need to have some kind of system within your CRM that gives you a notes on making sure that you have reminders. If they're within your pipeline and all of a sudden you stop responding with them, they then fall into a cold lead. This is a process that you need to create within the back end of your business. Number 2 is making sure you optimize your Calendly account. What that means is you need to know that there is going to be a follow-up message with them an hour before your call, and also a follow-up message after with more information and even a text message. You also want to have key dot points within your Calendly when they add in a spot in your calendar of company name, company URL. Some people say you need it, but normally people's URL domain is at the end of their email. But then if you need to know a few questions to help you prepare, make sure you do that. The third thing is, honestly, is understanding that it's not going to just fall on your lap. You're going to have to work for these leads. And once you book that call, actually, take it a step back. When you know that something isn't working or you're not seeing the response that you want, this is up to you to control your outcome. Note, when you start a campaign, you generally want to give it 2 to 3, even 4 weeks before you make any wild adjustments, unless you see a huge level of no's. But remember, when you're sending out connection requests and for that sequence to work, it's going to take a little bit for people to accept, depending on your list. If you're using that filter posted on LinkedIn in the last 30 days, note you're going to see a quicker response rate because you know that your targeted clients are going to be super active on LinkedIn. The last thing that I want to let you know, this is a journey, and you have to understand that everything's not gonna happen overnight. I had made mistakes at the start, and this is why I've created this channel to help you. So if you know that you need support in lead generation, I suggest you book a demo down below with Haus. We're here to help you. We are a platform, but we're also a lead generation agency. Thank you so much for watching this series, and I'll see you in the next video.